Hello, this is Headmade, and this is the Tesla module Ivaravarpacho. I made it out of modeling clay, and today we're going to do a crash test on it. I made it pretty detailed, added opening doors, and also made rear doors that can open like gull wings, just like in the original. This model has 770 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. Although the factory has set a top speed limit of 250 km per hour, in theory it should go faster. So, how will the crash test be conducted? I built a special track on the floor for the remote-controlled car, along which the car accelerates on this track. And at the end of the track, it crashes into the Tesla, thus simulating damage. This type of remote-controlled car will crash into the Tesla. It can accelerate up to 40 km per hour, which is very good. And of course, it's also made out of modeling clay. Well, the body itself, of course. Well, let's start the crash test. Here we go. That was quite a strong hit. I crashed into it with the wheel. You can even see the tread. It just got pushed in. Even the mirror is hanging and dangling. I'll crash into the front part one more time now. Yeah, you just can't recognize the Tesla now. The impact hit the center, it got dented even more, the hood even popped open, and the front left wheel got bent as well. That was rough. Let's crash again. This impact hit the front right wheel, the rim got bent, and the front door got a little dented. These are the kinds of damages we got from this collision. I think that's enough crashing into the front because there's almost nothing left of it now. There's a scratch on the left side of the Tesla. It turned out really realistic, and as for the front part, it's just a mess. The rear bumper also got a bit bent. I hit the left and rear headlights with the wheel. A pretty big dent appeared. It turned out pretty well. That was a really hard hit. Wow, it was a really strong impact. The whole rear part just got dented. It's coming out nicely. Now let's crash into the side door. This is the hardest heat today. Just look at how much everything got dented. That's just amazing. Even the front seat in the cabin got tilted. Now that's a crash test. Let's just finish breaking it apart. It's been a while since I dropped cars from a height onto the floor. I need to fix that. Well, that was kind of weak. I need to do it harder. Well, that's what I needed. Everything here got all twisted in a zigzag. Look at the wheel, how it's been flattened. Yeah, I guess we'll finish here. And now I'll show you a photo of how I sculpted this press. Alright, let's go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, why not give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram for updates. Also, join the VKontacted group. I post all my work photos there with links in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.